All right, guys, we're here at the We booth with Kyle. And Kyle, we talked to you at West, but you guys have a brand new set of knives out. What do you got?
Every month we come out new knives.
Perfect.
So I'm gonna grab kind of 3 of each brand essentially, and one of each brand, 3 new models that we have, and we'll just go from there.
Okay.
So the first one, let's see, we'll start with the Civivi. This is called the Nugs.
Okay.
Civivi Nugs. This is a new collaboration. Go and take that. New collaboration we have going with Ware. He's a custom knife maker. And so we're super stoked about that one. That one's using a 14 C28 blade steel with a nice green micarta.
I love the green.
It's really sweet with the stainless steel liners and then the ceramic cage ball bearings on there.
So dude, this has got great action, and I love the feel of the handle. Like it's got a good feel and a nice big thick chunky blade on it.
Yeah, no, it feels good.
Yeah.
And it's this nice little package.
Yeah, it is.
Right?
It's nice. And what's the price point on this knife?
So price point on this one is gonna be 59 bucks.
59, okay, that's awesome. All right, what else you got?
Okay, next one. I know you said this one was gonna be cool. I got the Cloud Peak.
Right.
So it's a new fixed blade.
And I love a good fixed blade, you know?
It has a kabocha wood on the handle.
Okay.
You got the stainless steel pins inside of there. It is a full tang, like going all the way through. And you got that nice thick edge. So
Yeah,
you honestly could do some like bushcrafting with
Right.
this.
I was gonna say it looks like a full-on legit bushcraft knife. The spine is nice and thick. I like that.
Yep. Nitro V blade.
Okay.
So it's gonna wear really well. You're looking at about MSRP on this is gonna be $123.
Okay. And I like the sheath.
Yeah, full
And
leather.
It smells
sheath.
like leather. Like I
Yeah.
love that. Nice.
And all of our sheaths are made in-house, so it's made to fit the blade rather than made aftermarket.
Right. That's perfect. I love it. All right, what else you got?
Okay, and then we'll go the fancy. This one's gonna be our new collaboration with Taze Meads.
Okay.
Out of South Africa. This is gonna be the fancy one, so we've got 20 CV on there, titanium liners with a stainless steel insert, and then marbled carbon fiber.
Dude, the action on this is really nice.
And that one will run you about 250 bucks.
Wow. Ooh, did you hear that? That's a good positive lockout. Yeah, once you get the weight of it to flick it open, it's real nice.
Yeah, we like,
Nice,
I mean,
man.
using that ceramic cage ball bearings, and this one has like really unique pocket clip. It's a little bit different. That's according to his design.
Right.
And then it does have a front flipper as well.
Oh, wow.
So it's kind of fun for deployment, and then obviously you have the thumb studs.
Right.
So yeah, a couple fun new offerings that we have for like
Right.
this month, but obviously on our Instagram we have everything because every month we come out with like a couple new designs of each brand. So
Nice. That's perfect. And where can people find you guys' products at?
anywhere online on our website at civivi.com, we.com, and sencut.com.
Awesome. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate your time. As
Thanks,
always, it's perfect.
Thank you.
Thanks. Okay, guys, I'm here at the MORRFlate booth with Ozzy. And Ozzy, you guys have a really cool new product.
Yep.
I want to hear all about it.
Well, we have the brand new air hub. Like, people have been wanting an auto deflation system, and we finally got one. So we're going to turn any compressor you have into an auto deflation and auto inflation system. So whether you have a MORRFlate compressor, you have an ARB compressor, or even a power tank, this kit will automatically inflate and automatically deflate for you on any vehicle.
It's amazing. Honestly, MORRFlate is really driving the industry when it comes to inflation and deflation devices. So I love this. Now, so you said it'll retrofit to any compressor.
Yep.
And that is on the inflation side.
Correct.
But the deflation side, do you need a compressor?
No, you don't. It's
Okay.
just, it is a standalone system. So just like our multi-tire deflation inflation systems, you just open the valve and just dump the air. That simple.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And it will just literally close the valve for itself. Like when
Yep.
you hit 20 PSI, that's it, it's done. It's not letting any more air out.
Yep, it's going to beep and flash at you like a microwave's done with its popcorn, and you're ready to go party.
That's so cool. Okay, now how would this integrate with, like, say, the MORRFlate compressor that already has the pre-designated pressure system built into that?
So if you already have our PSI Pro compressor, there's a function on it which is tank mode. So instead of setting your pressure that you want, you just hit the power button and it'll automatically go into tank mode. We'll just keep pressurizing the system to 120 PSI. So it'll automatically shut off when this shuts the valve in the system, and it acts like any other normal compressor.
It's almost like you guys thought of this ahead of time when you were doing this whole system.
I mean, when you're doing this stuff like that we do, we live and breathe it. It just happens to fall into place because these are things that we unknowingly think about developing these items because this is what we do.
Awesome. Okay, now this is really, really cool. Now, is this a form factor? Is this basically how it comes with the 2 hoses, so it could run a quad right off the bat?
Exactly, this is exactly how it comes. Both air lines just completely just pop out.
Okay.
All right, I'll just click this back in. And these actually come in their own carry case as well.
Nice.
So yeah, it's a nice blow mold. It's like a hard carry case,
right,
with EV foam in there, so it's going to keep it protected. And store your USB charging cable in there.
Okay.
And there's a little storage for if you want to put other stuff in there as well. So completely up to you. But yes, this is exactly how it comes. And yeah, plug it in, off you go. Good times.
Excellent. All right, now what is the price point on this?
Okay, so our air hub unit, the unit itself is it's $250. Like I said, comes with its hard case and a 3-year warranty.
Oh wow!
Like no one else in the air industry is doing a 3-year warranty on any of their products.
Definitely not.
So which is really awesome because we back what we have. So every single one of our units, we get them. They get QC'd before they even leave the factory. So our workshop. So you get QC'd, checked, and then we can back it with a 3-year warranty. No questions asked. Use it, abuse it, we'll replace it. That's
so cool. So
and what's
cool.
even cooler now is our hose kits. Because we make our hose kits in-house, we don't import them from overseas to get someone else to make them. We do it all ourselves. And our QC process, we're offering a lifetime warranty on our hose kits. And that's retroactive to anyone who bought our kits previously as well.
Oh, that's me.
Yep. So you now have a lifetime warranty on your hose kits.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah. So use it, abuse it, break it, replace it.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Okay, now where can people find these at when they want to buy them? Because they are definitely going to.
Oh, very simple. Look at our website, www.MORRFlate.com, and then just go through the air hub, choose which hose kit is desirable for your size vehicle, and we'll just ship it out to you, free shipping.
Excellent. Ozzy, these are really cool. I appreciate your time.
No
you
worries.
guys are going to sell a bunch of these.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You need one.
I do. Okay, guys, we're here at the TacoVinyl booth with Brandon. And Brandon, you guys have obviously leading the charge when it comes to all of the Taco accessories, but currently you have out brand new door skins.
Correct.
Tell me all about it.
Yeah, our door skins are proprietary material that we're in the works of patenting. It's a really specialized adhesive. So that it adheres to the door skins. The super smooth surfaces, vinyl adheres to really well, but the textured stuff, it's known to just fall off. So this stuff adheres really well. You clean it off. The laminate that goes on the top is also super scratch, wear resistant. So if you're moving stuff in and out of the vehicle, if you have kids, dogs, or are just leasing your Tacoma and want to maintain the door cards, you'll notice that they're super easy to scratch. And so now we design these with the average consumer in mind, knowing that most of us don't install vinyl. So they're super easy to install. All you need is a heat gun and some really good cleaning material so that your door has no oil or any residue on it. And then you can just start tossing down our design door skins.
So I'm not to downplay your skills at all because you obviously have mad skills when it comes to vinyl, but I was watching you install the skins at the CBI booth.
Yeah.
And you made it look just super simple. You mean you're able to just kind of pull it off, fix it, reapply it, and smooth it out, and it went on really smooth.
Yeah, so this vinyl, if it comes wrinkled or however crunched, you can literally peel it off, and any of the wrinkles or imperfections you can take out with a heat gun. It also, when you come to the corners to where it wants to wrinkle because it has to take a corner, you add a heat gun and it has a 30% shrink on it, so it'll actually take the corners and wrap how you want them to have proper coverage. So yeah.
Awesome. And I saw on Instagram that you guys were taking like a freaking screwdriver to it and just scraping it and then showing the angles, and it's perfect.
Yeah, screwdrivers, a grinder, dogs. We've put stuff on the door skins for dogs to go at, and yeah, they're holding up fantastic.
Awesome. Now, you guys gonna have these for the 4th gen, or you already have them for the 4th gen?
Yeah, so we just finished the 4th gen Tacoma and the 3rd gen Tundra. The alignment on them is phenomenal, so we're gonna offer probably more designs than we should, but I feel like these are a great customization where you can actually add your own character to the inside of your vehicle. So if you want the topo, or if you just want black for just protection, we actually did some specialized ones here at the show of a tattered flag and a Sasquatch, and then we have a few other local installs that we did. So yeah,
I actually saw the Sasquatch here right behind me, and that thing is awesome. Like, I love it. You guys are, I mean, like, you blow my mind every time you guys launch something on Instagram. I'm like, yes.
Thank you. We appreciate it.
Awesome. Okay, so now what do the door skins go for retail?
So 2 fronts are going to go for $170, $179. We run sales occasionally, but the cost of the material and what you're getting is a phenomenal deal, especially for the amount of protection that you get. Then if you end up going with the full kit, you're going to save a little bit of money. I think they're $329, somewhere in there, depending on the kit and how much square footage we're going to need to complete the kit.
Okay. And where do people find your guys' stuff at?
www.TacoVinyl.com, or you can follow us on Instagram. There's links and all that kind of stuff. So
Awesome. You guys got to sure check them out. They're awesome. Brandon, thank you so much. I appreciate your time.
Kelly, thank you.
Thanks. All right, guys. We're here at Step 22 with Adam, and you guys have a brand new tire carrier system, right?
We do.
Let's hear all about it.
All right, what you're looking at right here is called the Trash Panda. And the Trash Panda, one of the great things about it is it's way extremely overbuilt, like everything we do at Step 22. There's a lot of other spare tire programs on the market, some good, some not so great. You guys know that we've been talking about this for a number of years now, and the reason that it's taken so long is because we really wanted to nail it. So we put it through the paces and everything. And then also the mount is cool. We have a new patented mount. A problem with a lot of the spare tire bags that are on the market, they sag. They start to sag. The straps have to go behind the tire. You have stuff going on behind the tire where the straps don't work well and everything. So maybe shortly we can jump into that, and I can show you more about the mount as well. But it's not just the main bag that goes off the back of the tire. The style of the mount that we have allows you now to store stuff on the tread side. So we've got bags that are actually attaching to mounting blocks, and the mounting blocks go along the tread. So now you're able to, rather than just have one large space behind the tire, you can now put bags on the side as well. Those mounting blocks have 1/4-20 ready to go. So Rotopacks, you can't see what's going on behind here. We've got a Rotopacks already mounted, ready to go. And we will be continuing to create new products to build out this whole spare tire program.
Okay. You know what? Let's do a deep dive into this, and you can show me exactly what you're talking about.
That would be a great idea.
Okay.
What we've got here shows off the way that we mount our spare tire platform. We've got a 2-inch UV stable ratchet strap, heavy duty. You can pull a house with this thing. And then we've got our mounting blocks. And so you can see we've already got a Rotopacks mount mounted onto one of the blocks that's here. We've got multiple blocks throughout the whole tread here on this spare. And you can see the hooks here. So the Trash Panda, the main bag, is actually using these hooks to hook onto the mounting block. So that's the main way that we're going to attach stuff to your spare tire. Moving over here to the bag, which is actually the Trash Panda, I'll go ahead and open it up. You can see how tall it is. So it's roll top style. If you don't have a lot, you can also fold top and bring that down. Undo that Velcro closure at the top, which is nice when you need to close it, and then I'll give it a full open here. Now this is a prototype, so there are some changes to the production models that you'll see, but the concept is the same. And what you can see here for starters is that we've got a rigid back and a rigid floor as well. And that rigid floor to the back actually has a hinge. So when you're not using it, it will actually fold flat. And because the front side drops all the way down, whatever you need to load in or remove, whether that be wood or trash or anything, that's really easy to do. Another thing we've done is we've taken the height and tension and moved it inside the bag, no longer part of the straps on the backside. So this is what's going to prevent the Trash Panda from, as you're driving down the road, it's starting to droop down. Once you set your height and lock it in, that's set, that's it. The production version has a couple little kind of hole type things on the top here. So if you are using it for trash, you'll be able to stick your trash bags in there, and that will hold your trash bags up to get you started. The production version will also have a full zip pocket on the entire front panel. As an example of a block, I'll show you that in a second. And then we've got dual zippers on the outside. So I'll get it zipped up as if you had your loadout done. But you'll see a second zipper that's hiding down here in the zipper garage. Let me get that up, pull that out. Zipper garage. And so if you did want to just grab something out real quick, you don't have to undo the top and take the whole thing down. You can just zip up that lower zipper and you have access there. 2 expandable, breathable mesh pockets on both sides. So if you want quick access items, propane tanks, recovery gloves, smaller items, you got both pockets there for that. Molly panel on the front, UV stable, of course, laser cut, and an external pocket for smaller items that you also want quick access to on the front side there. So once you get it full, depending on how big your load is, you can either, you know, do 1 or 2 rolls at the top, or a bunch of rolls, or a fold. The top 2 pieces can actually fold together. So if you wanted to do roll top style that way, you could do a fold. As I mentioned earlier, the base has a hinge, so you'll be able to connect these 2 so your bag will be flat when it's not in use. Or if you do your roll, you know, just imagine we got a bunch of stuff loaded down in this. You've got compression straps on the side that's going to allow you to keep your load nice and tight during transit. Or if you've got it empty, you can bring these all the way down and kind of use these to hold the tension there. Pull out one of those mounting blocks from the inside so you can get a good look at that. So you'll need 4 mounting blocks, and what the kit will come with will be 4 mounting blocks, but you can add additional mounting blocks around the tread as you want, so you can just get a good kind of close up there of that. And you see there's a lot going on here. They are MOLLE compatible. The quarter 20s are there as well, so Rotopack's ready to go. We'll be creating some propane mounts. We're working on a step, so you're gonna be able to have some steps on your spare if you don't have room for ways to get up on your roof. The steps will help you get up higher as well. So that's the mounting block. Real quick, just while we're here, I'll show you the shark cage. The shark cage is shown on the backside here for your recovery boards. The shark cage can mount using the same mounting blocks that we saw for the Trash Panda. You can also run both. So if you wanted to run the shark cage directly on your tire, you could take the Trash Panda and bolt it to the face of the shark cage. The shark cage has a new pattern for MOLLE on here that works horizontal or vertical. So again, here we're going to be able to attach Rotopacks, propane mounts, or all kinds of stuff. The nice thing about the shark cage is, for a storage bag, when you get compression on it and you need to get your boards, you have to loosen everything up. It's kind of a pain. With the shark cage being rigid, when you need to use your boards, they're just ready to pull right out. So that's the shark cage. That's a good idea of kind of the starter spare tire program that we've got that will be available later this year. And then as time goes on, we'll continue to create new products that you can attach to your shark cage or the mounting blocks.
So Adam, what is a price point on this, kind of starting and then as you build?
We're going to be in the 400-ish range on this, so they're definitely not going to be cheap.
Right.
But if you know a lot of the spare tire products that are out right now, they don't last.
Right.
And so one of the reasons that it took us so long to get this to market is everything down to the thread on this is designed to be used extreme, outdoors, UV, and all that. So you get what you pay for.
Excellent.
Yeah, and we'll offer it in kits, so we know that all the users have their own use case. Some want just one big bag, some will want more mounting blocks. So we'll do it as a kit where you can get the mounting blocks and just the bag, or Rotopack's mounts, or the smaller bags, or anything. So we're not quite sure yet the exact price, but it'll be in that range.
Okay. And where can we find you guys' products at?
Step22gear.com.
Awesome. Dude, these guys are sick. You guys got to check them out. Adam, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much.
Really appreciate it.
All right.
Thanks.
Cheers.